Hello dear students, this video is for the students of class 12 science English medium Gujarat board subject English. My dear students, in this video we're going to see the format of the year 2020-21 of the board examination, and we also going to see the sample paper given by the Gujarat government. Remember dear students, this video is for the standard 12th English subject, first language. Subject code is 006, and this video is for the science stream, class 12 science, and the subject is English. We're gonna go through the format of the English paper in this video. So let's see the paper style of the English paper. My dear students, as you know that it's a 3-hour exam and the total marks for the exam is 100 marks. So dear students, as you know that the paper is divided into two parts, part A and part B. Part A is MCQ part, and 1 to 50 MCQs are there. Prose Flamingo of 23 marks, Poetry Flamingo 12 marks, Language and Grammar 15 marks. So these are how your 50 marks are divided in part A. Remember dear students, work hard as per these weightage. Here we go on part B. Dear students, part B also carries 50 marks and it is divided into 5 sections. So let's see the first section A, which is of prose, where 1 to 7 textual question answers are there from Flamingo textbook, and you have to attempt any 5 questions out of 7, and the total marks of those 5 questions, that is 10. So that is 1 to 7 questions are there and you have to attempt any 5. Let's see the section B dear students, section B, where 8 to 9 number question, comprehension of stanza from Flamingo, where the weightage goes 2 marks. So here you will have the scene poem and you will have the 2 questions. Next you have textual question Flamingo, attempt 4 out of 6. So here you will have the question answers from the poetry part, that is 10 to 15, and you have to attempt 4 questions out of 6, and the weightage of the 4 questions, 4 twos are 8. So that's your section B. So students, now on section C. Section C, first you have idioms and phrases, and the weightage of idioms and phrases 3 marks. Next you have do as directed, weightage 4 marks, and next you have rectification of errors 3 marks. So that's your section C, and that's all covers grammar, idioms and phrases, do as directed, rectification of error. Let's see section D dear students. Section D, first you have that is reading and writing, data interpretation, which is also known as chart interpretation, and the weightage of this question is 5 marks. Next you have job application, very important question, and that also carries 5 marks. That's your section D. The last question, section E, question number 28, that's your email writing, which can also come formal or informal. The weightage of this question 4 marks. And the last, not the least, that is your essay or speech writing. The weightage of this question 6 marks dear students. And that's what makes your 50 marks of part B. Part A and part B both we combine, so that makes your 100 marks. So this is what your paper style for the academic year 2020-21. So let's go with the sample paper now. Dear students, this is your sample paper given by Gujarat government for the students of standard 12th English subject 006, that is your subject code. First language, remember in English there are 2 languages, first language and second language. So this video is for the students of English first language and stream science. Remember, I have already posted the video for the commerce and art stream. So please go and watch. I'll give the link in the description. So this is the sample paper. Time 3 hours, total marks 100. So this is your part A dear students, and here you have full 50 MCQs. Remember, here we go how this is your MCQ starts. I'm not reading all the question, otherwise the video will be too long dear students. So dear students, here I would like to drag your attention. Question number 12 to 15, see, there is a passage. This is a scene passage of rat trap, and there are 12, 13, 14, 15. 4 questions are there. So remember, 12, 13, 14, 15 questions are from this paragraph. So you will have such type of questions as well in the board examination. Keep in your mind. Here we go further. Dear students, one more time, read the following stanza and choose the correct answer of questions 32 to 33. So here you have 2 questions from the poetry. And here we come to the end of 50 MCQs, dear students. So remember, there are grammatical questions as well. So this is your part A. Dear students, this is your part B, where you get 2 hours to complete this part B. The weightage 50 marks. First question of section A, that is, answer the following question in 5 to 6 sentences each, and you have to attempt any 5. The weightage 10 marks. So this is your prose section. So whatever the prose are there, the question answers will be from the prose section, and there are total 7 questions. You have to attempt any 5. Remember, dear students. So dear students, here we come on section B. Section B, where read the following stanza and answer the following question. Question number 8, 9 in one sentence. So here are the questions. This is the scene poem, and these are the 2 questions. Weightage 2 marks. Next, you have answered the following question in 5 to 6 sentences, any 4. The weightage 8 marks. These question answers are from the poetry part, dear students, and there will be total 6 questions, and you have to attempt any 4. Dear students, section C, that is your grammar section, and where the first question is of idioms and phrases. So remember, idioms and phrases question carries 3 marks. Here please go through this question. I never saw him look so tall, where you will be given the 3 options and you have to rewrite this question. Remember, dear students, rewrite. You have to select the appropriate idiom and phrase from the given bracket, and you have to rewrite this question. So you only have to write the answer 16, answer 17, answer 18. Here we go. Next question is of do as directed, where 4 questions are there and the weightage 4 marks. Here you have different grammar. Change the voice, question tag, use heavy, that is positive degree, and use to. Next you have rectification of error, and the weightage of this question 3 marks. Remember, when you attempt this question, write only this much part, dear students, error and correction. Do not copy this part. So that's your grammar section, section C. Dear students, this is your section D, that is reading and writing. Question number 26. This question, that is your chart interpretation, which is also known as data interpretation, and this is your chart given. The weightage of this question 5 marks. Remember, you have to write 6 to 7 sentences, like 6 to 7 points. Make sure, students, that you write 1 to 2 points extra in this question. My dear students, if you do not want to attempt this question, then you get the choice. That's the choice is also the same. If you do not want to attempt the previous chart, then you can go with this chart. So you will have choice for the chart interpretation. So 2 charts will be given. They can be pie chart, bar chart, line bar, anything. So you can select any one chart and you can interpret. The weightage of this question is 5 marks. Let's go in section D. You have 27th question, that is job application. Here you can see apply with the resume for the post of workshop manager, and the weightage 5 marks. Remember, this is your 27th question of section D. Dear students, this is your last section, section E, where the first question is of email writing, weightage 4 marks. Make sure that you know you don't get any choice here. Either you will have the formal email or the informal email. Next question is question number 29, that's of essay, and you get the choice. You can either go with essay, there are 2 essays, 1 and 2, or if you don't want to attempt this question, then you get the choice, that is a speech writing. The weightage of this last question is 6 marks, and that makes your part B. The total marks for the part B 50, and you get 2 hours to complete this part B. So dear students, I hope you understood the format of the board examination of 2020 and 21. If this video was really helpful to you, then I just want to make one request to every one of you. If you do not like my video, I don't have any problem, but please do share this video with your classmates, with your friends studying in the different school, in different region. So friends, please, if you are new to this channel, then do subscribe my channel. Please do share with your friends. That's it for the day. Thank you so much. Till then, goodbye. Jai Hind.